To maintain a Whoop membership, start by understanding the basics of the platform. Whoop is a fitness tracking and analytics service that provides personalized recommendations to improve physical performance. First, ensure you have a Whoop strap, which tracks various health metrics such as heart rate, sleep, and exercise. Wear the strap regularly to collect accurate data. Next, download the Whoop app, available for both iOS and Android devices, and create an account to access your data and insights. To get the most out of your membership, set and track goals within the app. This can include targets for sleep, exercise, and recovery, allowing you to monitor progress and adjust habits accordingly. Regularly review your data to identify trends and patterns, making informed decisions to optimize your well-being. Maintaining a Whoop membership also involves staying up to date with the latest features and updates. The platform frequently releases new tools and insights, so it is essential to check the app regularly for new content. Additionally, engage with the Whoop community, either through the app or social media, to connect with like-minded individuals and share experiences. Best practices for maintaining a Whoop membership include wearing the strap consistently, tracking goals and progress, and regularly reviewing data. By following these steps and staying engaged with the platform, you can maximize the benefits of your Whoop membership and improve overall physical performance. It is also crucial to manage your membership settings, including subscription details and notification preferences, to ensure a seamless experience. If you encounter any issues or have questions, contact Whoop support for assistance. By taking these steps, you can effectively maintain your Whoop membership and achieve your health and fitness goals.